Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about the projections of straight lines. So before going for this one, let me say that what do you mean by a line? A straight line is defined as the shortest distance between 2 points. So wherever in this present topic we are about to be going for seeing the projection of the straight lines. So where by joining them with respect to projections at its end points. So here we are about to see in the projection of the straight lines we are about to see the different orientations of the straight line. So the one among them, the first one what we are about to consider is line parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. In this line parallel to both horizontal plane and vertical plane, we are about to see the position of a line which is parallel to both reference planes. So as of the thing right now, if you see the case, the line which is 20 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So right now how do we go ahead for carrying out the projections of this straight line? We shall see it now. So here considering the line AB is of around like 75 mm, what it is given to us in the question itself. So right now this AB is of the length of 75 mm, that what we are about to take. And how do we need to draw the orthographic projections of this line? We shall see it now. For your understanding purpose, it is explained to you in the isometric projection. So, so here one thing is the point to say that all the projections of the lines are being carried out in the first quadrant, which generally we say them as first angle projection. So where are the different orientations that what we are about to see in the coming topic, we are about to be see them in the first quadrant itself only, which we say them as like first angle projection. Now coming to the point, if we see here, so right now the line AB of length 75 mm is 20 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So coming to the point of this, when you draw the projections of the straight line over here, where the projections of this line which are about to be explained here, when seen from the front view, this is my point. When projected on the vertical plane, we mark it as A dash, we mark it as A dash, and the other end we mark it as B dash. Marking the dimensions which is at around about 20 mm above HP, and this is what about the vertical plane, what are the projections carried out on the vertical plane over here, that what we are about to showing. Now showing it with respect to the horizontal plane, which is at a distance of 50 mm in front of VP, that what we are about to show it here. And marking the projections, marking the points of the projections as A and this point as B. So right now on the vertical plane we mark it as A dash, B dash. On the horizontal plane we mark it as AB. So this is what about the projections being carried out on vertical plane and the horizontal plane with respect to lines. So this is what about the 3D projection. So as according to the considerations and the rules that what we follow with respect to that, we rotate the horizontal plane at an angle of 90 degrees in clockwise direction, keeping the vertical plane fixed. Now we are about to be going ahead for drawing the two-dimensional projection over here. Now drawing XY line, drawing XY line, reference line, that what we say it as, As in the first quadrant, we are considering the above the XY line will be vertical plane, below it will be the horizontal plane. Now, draw the reference line. So 20 mm above HP. So draw the dimensions line which are 20 mm above HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So first draw the locus lines over here. So the main purpose of these locus lines, what we are drawing is that, so which are at a distance wherever you can start the point and you can end up the point, so such that the distance will be the same from with respect to reference line. So that's the purpose of this locus line, we draw it here. So right now, mentioning the dimension here, this is which is 20 mm above HP. This is about 50 mm in front of VP and 20 mm above HP. Now, which is about to be starting the point. So this is about A dash, B dash. Total length of the line is around like 75 mm. Draw the projection line from A dash and as well as from the B dash. So this is a front view projection, and then the same path only the projection lines are to be drawn, so such that the top view also should be in the same path. The top view projection should also be in the same path. So writing it here. So A, B. Considering any one of these, so just go ahead for mentioning the dimension line also. So which is of around like 75 mm. So this is what about the first point of the line, first orientation of the line.